Rokiana bega borkiwa na babwatani au nikobono mubasorero basangirikana se skuru yoboroso ya Hurricane eyo kutoka asensemo ya ria twenye wodi ya Nyatike nsemo bunge ya Kitutu Chache South County ya Kisii ase enchera ya yogo chengera amachiwa maya hayo skuru yo ya nyarako gikorikia samatemo mana KJSEA yo mwako yiga okwana hegerekyo mutendribwe skuru yo nikobono hagandria borkiwa maya abayigo kuba bodi banyarako bakwerusanania kurase chisabu chimbe kirabayire guturumania amagimabo nonyana bo hengana yo saro ko mwana humunyaroka nigo yanyarako bagikugikerwa asenseme.
I'm Francis Bagaka, the school admin Hurricane. Today we are celebrating good results for our candidates who sat for the KJSEA this year. We are really happy that out of the results we have attained a mean score of 7.5 out of 8. Which is a very, very good result. I want to thank all stakeholders, starting from learners, parents, management, and even the subordinate staff for the tireless work that they have done in ensuring that we are attaining these good results. I'm also urging the students, the good morals that we have taught them here, they extend it when they are outside at home and when they want to join senior schools coming next year.
Parents here at Hurricane, I'm so happy I joined the Hurricane this year, January. My boy has done very well in grade 9 and I'm so happy. I appreciate and advise parents from far and above and even those who are in Kisii to come and join this school. This school is very good. I'm also bringing my boy who is going to grade 4 to join here.
I'm really thankful to all our teachers, my fellow students, our parents. They have given us support since we started grade 9 and we are really happy with our scores. We just thank you all for the support you have given us and I'm looking forward to also pass in my upcoming grade which I will after joining high school.
Sisi kama wazazi pia hatutaki mambo kama ya FGM, tumeyakemea kabisa. Ndio maana mmeona hao watoto wako hapa wako na furaha kabisa kwa wao wazazi wa hii shule wamekuwa na hiyo elimu na wachakiketa hata watoto wao.